അടിപൊളി. Hi friends, today's recipe is the famous Kerala Idiyappam. Ingredients: 1 cup of double horse Idiyappam mix, 1 cup of coconut, salt for taste, and water. There are two kinds of vessels that you can use to make idiyappam. One is this one, which is used like this. The other one is more like a screw used to squeeze out the mix into long, thin, noodly shape. In order to make the idiyappam dough, take 1 cup of idiyappam mix. Add salt and keep adding water little by little to knead it into a soft dough. You might need only about 3/4 cup of the water. Once the dough becomes soft like this, close it with a cloth or plate and set it aside for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, open the lid or cloth and gently sprinkle some water on the dough and knead it once more. Now take your idli tray and fill each of these areas with a little coconut. Then take a big ball of the idiyappam dough and insert it in the idiyappam maker and gently squeeze out the idiyappam mix onto the idli tray like this. You can use any idiyappam maker that you are comfortable with. Once you squeeze out the sufficient amount, top each of these with coconut once again. Meanwhile, boil about 2 cups of water in an idli steamer. Squeeze out the idiyappam into the other idli trays as well and immerse it in the idli steamer and close the lid. Let it cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the steamer and transfer your idiyappam into a serving bowl and serve it hot with vegetable stew, bananas or sugar. That's all for today, friends. If you like my recipes, don't forget to like, share and comment. Hit the subscribe button to be notified whenever a new video comes up. Thanks for watching.